children, welcome back to the new session. Yes, a very lengthy chapter. This is session number 23 for chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. In the previous session, we solved exercise 13.7, question number 3, 4 and 5. First two, you all were asked to do on your own. Okay, so moving on to the further sums of the exercise. First we shall see 6, then 7 and 8. And one more is left, 9. If we can, we'll complete that also in this session. Okay, are you ready? Fine. Let's see the statement number 6. The volume of right circular is 9,856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, find number 1, height of the cone, that is h, slant height of the cone, that is L, and curved surface area of the cone. You should remember the formula. Yes, curved surface area bola gaya hai. Volume is already given. Volume is already given. Okay, so we are supposed to find 3 things: h, L, and curved surface area. Should we start? Solution number 6. Okay. Once again, figure is not essential, but I will draw. This is what? Cone. Right? इसको height बोलते हैं, इसको slant height बोलते हैं, और ये radius, and this is always perpendicular. उसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी L square. Right angle के सामने L square is equal to h square plus r square. What information we have? Very interesting. Volume. What is the volume of this cone? 9,856 centimeter cube. Extension of condition चल रहा है. Extension of condition. This is equal to, भाई formula है volume की. Do you remember? 1/3 pi r square h. I'm going to call it result number 1. So I got this 1/3 pi r square is equal to 9856. Okay, one equation मिला. चलिए एक और information हमारे पास है. The diameter of the base is 28 centimeter. So D for diameter, that is 28 centimeter. We always require radius for the calculations. So let's find out radius. Radius will be 28 upon 2. That is very easy. So I'll write 14 centimeter because radius is equal to D by 2. 2 ones are 2, 14s are. Yes. Now I'm going to use equation 1. Equation 1 gives, or simply 1 gives. Bolo, formula. 1/3 pi r square h is equal to 9856. 9856. So 1/3, what is pi? Nothing is mentioned. So we will take
22/7.
Correct? Into r square. Oh, radius we got 14. So r square will be 14 into 14 into, that is our first target height. वो मिल जाएगा. It is equal to 9856. 7 ones are 7 twos are. The rest you take on other side. H is equal to 9856. 3 is in the denominator. It will multiply. Go up. 22, 2 and 14. All 3 will be in the denominator on right hand side. Alright. 11 से कर दे. 11 twos are. 11 is the 88. 10 बचा. 11 nines are 99. 6 बचा. 11 6 are. There you are. है ना? 7 से कर दे. 7 twos are. 7 ones are 7 ones are 7, 8 बचा. 7 twos are 14, 5 बचा. 7 eights are 6. I'll write it here. 128 into 3 upon 8. चलेगा? 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. 8 से जाएगा? Yes. 8 ones are 8 4 बचा. 8 6 are 16 3s are है ना? 8 1 जा 8, 4 बचा, then 6. क्या? 8 6 जा 40, 16 3 जा 40. That is height. Yes, height. And it is in terms of centimeter. Is that clear? So you have achieved your first target. Height is found. Now if you want to find slant height, there is the formula. We know that. We know that. What we know? L square is equal to h square plus r square. H we got now. That is 48 square. R also is available. 14 square. Hope this sum is a beautiful number, a perfect square number. 48 multiplied by 48. 0, 32, 3, 90 भी आपको करना है. 64, 6, 32 और 38. So that will give me 4032 plus 14 is 196. So उसमें प्लस कर दो. 2304 plus 196. 005. अरे वाह, ब्यूटीफुल नंबर आ गया. 2000 L square. So taking square root. Yes. Therefore L is equal to. Yes, ये जोड़ी है. So 10 और 25 का square root 5. 50 centimeter. From up there, only 1 0 has to be collected. Somebody said 500. And square root of 25 is 10 चाहिए हमको. Do you understand? So that is how you got L as well. So your second target is also achieved. Now you want curved surface, and you know the formula. Curved surface area की formula आपको पता है. Yes. Very good. Now curved surface area. The formula is pi r. Radius and slant height they are available. 22/7. 14. ये रहा 14 7 का इलाज. Into L we just got, that is 50. 7 1s are 7 2s are 52s are 100 and 122s are 2200. Therefore this is which word? Area. So centimeter square. This is length, your second target. This is height, your first target, and this is curved surface area, your third target. So you must put the answers in the box. I hope you have understood. Was that easy? Sure. Yes. Good. Now we'll see number 7. All right, children. Let's move to the next one. Let's see what's the statement. A right triangle ABC with sides 5 cm, 12 cm, and 13 cm is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. Now this is interesting. A little bit of imagination is required. Here I've got a right triangle. Alright? ABC. I'll write here. This is A. Let's say this is B. This one is C. I'll show you children with 13 centimeter. 12 centimeter and how much? 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Can you see? Here is the right triangle. A, B, C. B is right angle. Okay. Now this AB is how much? How much is the hypotenuse AC? And how much is the base BC? Now children, little bit of imagination. In a right triangle ABC with sides 5 cm, 12 cm is revolved about the side 12. Tell me which side is 12? अच्छा, यहाँ मैंने तार लगा दिया. I'll put a wire here. Alright? और फिर इसको घुमा रहा हूं. I'm revolving triangle. जैसे जैसे just ऐसे समझ लो यहाँ मिरेकल हो रहा है. हाँ? एक चमत्कार हो रहा है. जैसे जैसे आप रिवॉल्व करते हैं वो सॉलिड बनते जाता है. तो सॉलिड जो बनेगा पूरा रिवॉल्यूशन पूरा होगा तो सॉलिड जो बनेगा उसका शेप क्या होगा? कोन. She's saying cone. One of them got it. One of you got it. सबको इमेजिनेशन कौन ही लाता है? Yes. Are you sure you'll get cone? Yes. यस, सिर्फ कोन कहने से काम पूरा नहीं होता है। जैसे ये ट्राइंगल आगे बढ़ता है ना तो सॉलिड फॉर्म होते रहता है, ऐसा इमेजिन करो। ये मिरेकल हो रहा है भाई, हवाમાં તો થાય ને, હવા તો એટલી કાઢી નાખશે ને, કટ કરશે ને, તો એ કોન તો બન્યો ને। આર યુ ગેટિંગ મી? अच्छा, what is the height of that cone? What is the slant height of that cone? And what is the radius of that cone? So if you are rotating, if you are revolving around the length of side 12, that 12 is the height. The base is the, and the hypotenuse is going to be the, yes. So I am going to draw the cone. Are you getting me? I'll draw the cone, which is formed by revolving that right triangle about the side which measure 12 centimeter. So this is H and that is 12. This is L and that is 13. And this is R. It's going to be, everything is available. अब क्या बोल रहे हैं? Find the volume of the solid so obtained. बोलो, यहाँ लिखी दिया है। Now volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square. That is equal to 1/3 pi. Should I leave pi? Pi होगी, मैं रहने दूंगा। Alright, क्योंकि उसका कोई चॉइस नहीं है। बोलो r square 5 into 5 और h that is 12. 3 ones are 3 fours are 25 fours are 100 pi. Okay, centimeter cube. That is what. So this 7 is answer. That solution 7. Are you getting me? So simple. You just need this imagination. That's why I have taken the triangle here to show you. Is that clear? Now solution number 8. उसमें दो questions हैं. If the triangle in question 7 means the same triangle 7 above, yeah, the question 7 above is revolved about a side 5 centimeter, then find the volume so obtained. फिर दूसरा क्वेश्चन भी है, also find the ratio of volumes of two solids obtained in question 7 and 8. In question number 7, this right triangle was revolved about 12 centimeter side, but now it is going to be revolved about 5. ये रहा, it's going to revolve, and just imagine magically it gets converted into solid. All right, तो जो solid बनेगा वो जिसकी height, radius और slant height. I hope you understood. तो मैं थोड़ा ऐसे बता दूं, जरा लंबा वाला है, ब्रॉडर वाला है. You understand? This is 5, which is height. This is L, and that is 13 centimeter, and this is radius, which is 12 centimeter. Is that clear? Let's find out what volume. इसका भी volume ढूंढना है. Now, volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square. So 1/3 again pi I am going to leave as it is, क्योंकि उसका कोई इलाज नहीं है, multiple of 7 नहीं है. चलो r square that will be 12 into 12 or into h that is 5. 3 ones are 3 fours are. This is 5 fours are 20 or 12 20s are 240. 240 pi. That is volume cubic. So what is the volume of the solid formed by revolving that right triangle about the side with measure 5 centimeter? 240 pi. Okay. आगे एक और क्वेश्चन है. Also find the ratio of the volumes of the two solids. Okay. So now, volume of solid in question is to volume of solid in question. See the symbol that I am using. All right, is equal to, बोलिए क्या है? 100 pi is to 240. Yes, it is 240 pi. चलिए, that is 100 pi upon 240 pi. पाई का इलाज आराम से हो गया, 0 का हो गया, 2 5 और 2 12, so 5 is to 12, there V7 is to V8, means the ratio of volumes in question 7 and that in question 8 is 5 is to 12. There is no unit for the ratio. Is that clear? I hope you have understood. Okay, so now we move on to the last question of this exercise. So children, let's see the last question of exercise 13.7 and that will conclude the sums related to the volume of cone. फिर आगे का concept spheres and hemispheres and that would be the last concept of the chapter as well. Okay, चलिए अभी तो हमें ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 को सॉल्व करना है. Let's see the statement. The heap of wheat, the globe. Yes, the heap of wheat is in the form of cone, whose diameter is 10.5 meter. It is a multiple of 7 and height is
3 meter.
Find its volume. So that is your first target. Find its volume. So you have height and diameter. दोनों है. Diameter से radius. And what is the formula to find volume of cone? Why we are using the formula to find volume of cone? Because why we are using that formula? Because that heap of wheat is going to be conical in shape. Next question हम बाद में देखते हैं. Solution number 9. This is the heap of wheat, which is conical in shape. Height given is 3 meter. Radius we don't know. L we don't know. But diameter is given. What is diameter? 10.5 meter. Therefore radius will be 105 upon 10. वो point decimal निकाला and divide by 2 meter. Because radius is equal to d by 2. Cancel नहीं करूंगा. ऐसे ही रखूंगा. ठीक है? So that is your radius. Understood? Now volume. Now volume is 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi 22 upon 7 r square. ये 7 का इलाज है. 105 upon 20 लिख दूं. 10 2s are 20 and r square है so 2 times. All right, into h that is 3. 3 cancel. 7 1s are 7. 3 बचा 7 5s are. I think एक कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. 2 11s are 2 10s are. नहीं कैंसिल होगा ना अभी, है ना? चलिए फिर कैंसिल कर ही देते. 5 2s are 5 3s are. 5 4s are 5 2s are 5 1s are. So now divide by 8 बचा रहेगा. Okay, 8 से तो हम आराम से डिवाइड कर लेंगे. This is 21 multiplied by 11 3s are 33. 0 3 6 3 3 9 6 6 9 3 6 9 3 divided by 8. 8 8s are 68 4 5 3. 8 6 are 48 5.0. 8 6 are 48 20. 8 2s are 16 40. 8 5s are 40 00. Exactly divisible. So 86.625. ये क्या है? वॉल्यूम. सो मीटर है, सो मीटर क्यूब. सो योर फर्स्ट टारगेट यू हैव अचीव्ड. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द विड्थ? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन, इट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. द हीप इज टू बी कवर्ड बाय कैनवास. जो हीप ऑफ विड्थ है उसको कैनवास से कवर करना है, सो एज टू प्रोटेक्ट इट फ्रॉम रेन. Find the area of canvas used. सिर्फ area ढूंढना है. What is area of canvas equal to? Area of canvas will be equal to curved surface को ही कवर करना है ना. So equal to curved surface area. Area of canvas will be equal to. लेकिन कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया की फॉर्मूला बताइए. माय गॉड, L will be required. So ये इक्वेशन चाहिए. कौन सा? L square is equal to h square plus r square. नाक में दम लाएगा. देखते हैं. Now L square is equal to h square plus r square. h तो सिंपल है 3 है 3 सो 3 स्क्वायर, लेकिन r सिंपल नहीं है 105 अपॉन 20 होल स्क्वायर, वही आ रहा है ना 105 अपॉन 20। अच्छा कुछ कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, 5 4 521 बोलो 3 स्क्वायर 9, 21 स्क्वायर इज 441 અને 4 स्क्वायर इज
16.
अपॉन 1 करना पड़ेगा एलसीएम, so here 16 are here 1s are 16 9s are is again 144 plus 441, so 4144441 585 है ना, so 585 upon that is L square. I think in the bracket something is given, no? नहीं दिया है, कुछ भी नहीं, बाई गुडनेस। तो अब क्या करेंगे, इसका स्क्वायर रूट ढूंढना पड़ेगा, इसका स्क्वायर रूट, इसका तो ओके, टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड, सो L इज इक्वल टू, नीचे तो 4 आ जाएगा, बट दिस स्क्वायर 585, आपको पैर लेनी होगी लास्ट से, इसको 0 कर दो, सो 2 2s are 4 माइनस और ये प्लस 1 और ब्रिंग डाउन 85, ये टोटल 4 हो गया, 4 4s are 16, so 44 4s are 4 4s are 16 and 17, ये माइनस ये प्लस ये 8 और 4 9 और 0 पॉइंट एक 0 0, now 4 2s are 82 2s are, that will be it will be over that, so 1s are लेना पड़ेगा, 1s are 488 1, ये माइनस ये प्लस 9 1 और 8 में से 4, alright, this is 284. Now you can take pair of zeros again, one more place of decimal ले लेते हैं, so 9s are I think so, 4 8 2 9 9s are 9 9s are 81 18 26 2 72 74 7 36 and 43, नहीं बढ़ गया, so approximately 8s are आ जाएगा approximately. This you have learnt earlier how to find square root by division method. We'll have one session to recall it. એને યાદ કરવા માટે આજનું એક સેશન આપણે finding square root by division method જોઈ લેશું. એટલે what I am doing here you will know if you have forgotten. બરાબર છે? આખું એક સેશન આપણે finding square root by division method જોઈશું. Right now I'm not showing you that. No, कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. Right? So the answer is 24.18 approximately. All right? और अभी भी divide by 4 करना है. वाह, 4 divide 2418 divide by 4 6 are 20. हम 24 ही ले लेना, चलिए approximately लेना है, so approximately 24. So therefore L is equal to 6 meter. So what is the length?
6 meter.
ठीक है, 24 ले लिया मैंने approximately. Is that clear? So easily divisible हो गया. All right. So now you got L. So you can find out the curved surface area. Okay, L is required. Okay. Finally, बोलिए curved surface area is pi r L. So that is 22 upon 7. Radius is how much? 105 upon 20. Or slant height is how much? 6. 7 1s are 7 21s are 2 10s are 2 3s are. इसको ले लो, that is 63 multiplied by 22 0 6 12 1 2 6 6 8 3 1 or upon 10 1 3 8 6 upon 10. So that will give me 138.6. What is that? Area. So centimeter square, but approximate. So this is your second answer. Is that clear? आपको आंसर लिखना होगा. क्या लिखना होगा? The area of canvas required is 138.6. It's not centimeter, some meter में. So it has to be meter square. All right, children. Yes, one of the students informs me the answer is not matching. It won't match exactly, but he says the answer is 99.825. So So that is a big difference. So we have made some error. Alright? And one of the girl, she found the error here. 7 ones are 7 ones are 7 and 7 5s. I wrote 21 directly. So mistake is here. Okay? Yes. The answer won't be exactly same, but it will be very close to that because we didn't take 24.18. We took 24 approximately. So इससे थोड़ा सा कम आएगा. Let's see again that calculation part. So 22 upon 7 into 105 upon 20 into L is 6. 7 ones are 7. 3 remain. 7 fives are. I wrote 21. Okay. 5 threes are 5 fours are. 2 twos are 2 threes are 2 ones are 11 are. 11 nines are 99. उससे थोड़ा कम आएगा. बोला था ना मैंने. This is what? Centimeter square. So this is area. So what is the area of canvas required? So that error is now rectified. Is that clear? Again I wrote centimeter square. It has to be meter square because everything is in terms of meter. वो 99 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर का कैनवास लेकर आएगा तो थोड़ा सा पार्ट भी कवर नहीं होगा. All right, children. That's all in this session. Next session we'll see volume formula related to sphere and hemispheres and also the sums related to it. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.